Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve content distribution with Buffer, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your content distribution with Buffer, start by signing up for a Buffer account. Log in to your Buffer dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Upload your content assets directly to Buffer. Use the scheduling feature to plan your posts. Select the optimal times based on audience engagement data. Connect your social media accounts to Buffer. Choose the platforms that align with your target audience. Craft engaging captions for your content. Incorporate relevant hashtags into your posts. Monitor your content performance through Buffer's analytics. Identify which posts perform best. Adjust your strategy based on data insights. Experiment with different content types to see what resonates. Utilize the Buffer browser extension for easy content sharing. Curate relevant content from other sources to share with your audience. Engage with your audience through comments and messages. Regularly review your distribution strategy for effectiveness. Stay updated with Buffer's new features and tools. This will ensure you maximize your content distribution efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.